Then we'll talk about an online crypto savings account that I personally do use. And then after that, we'll talk about doing your own due diligence and researching for different cryptocurrencies. This is extremely important because you don't want to invest blindly. You need to know what you are investing in. Then we'll go through some important valuation metrics I use to actually analyze different cryptocurrencies, as well as talking about important qualitative indicators of what makes a good crypto. I'll then teach you guys how to read a white paper, as well as some really great crypto news sources that you guys can go to learn more about cryptocurrencies. Then we'll talk about what tokens are and initial coin offerings, ICOs. I'll give you guys my own research and beliefs about timing the markets. Then we'll go into the Crypto 20 Index Fund, which is just a pretty cool way to invest in cryptocurrencies. And then we'll talk about how much money you should invest. This really depends on your situation, but we'll go through some different scenarios. After that, we'll talk briefly about cryptocurrency taxes and what you need to do to prepare for those. And finally, the actionable steps you can take. This is going to be an overview of the whole course and the things you can do right now to get started investing in crypto. Okay, so let's go over my background as an investor. So I am a real estate broker and I'm also a serial entrepreneur doing businesses and many different things. I have 7 years of investing experience. So I started investing about, I think, 2014. And right now I do have a multiple six-figure crypto portfolio. Also, as you guys can see, I do YouTube. So I'm an active investing, personal finance, and entrepreneurship content creator. And I really do believe that learning the fundamentals of investing is super important, and it's really going to make you guys want to get started with investing in stocks, crypto, anything else. I truly do believe that investing is a way for anyone to build wealth. And that's why this channel is really dedicated to helping you guys build income and become millionaires in the next 5-10 years. So let's talk about why you need to get started investing as soon as possible. So in the last decade, Bitcoin has grown from around $1 in 2011 to over $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 in just one single decade. Now, depending on when you guys are watching this video, crypto is very volatile, so the prices are going to be changing all the time. But still, $1 to $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 as of right now, that's pretty insane. Cryptocurrencies are still becoming popular, and what I mean by that is the whole crypto space, it's still super young and it's just becoming more mainstream. It's a new way of decentralized currency that the governments cannot really control. That's what really makes it enticing for a lot of people. And right now it's starting to get more and more financial backing from institutions. More financial giants such as PayPal and Square are putting crypto onto their platforms, and that's really going to change the whole crypto space. So yeah, we are still early. If you're watching this video right now, crypto, it's pretty mainstream, but it's still not as mainstream as it could be. And for example, recently Tesla just bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin, and they added that to their balance sheet, so that was pretty interesting. Here's a quote from Maria Paula Fernandez that I really enjoyed. Investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum are natural ways to minimize the trust layer in governments and institutions that have failed to look out for the public and protect individuals from the fragility of traditional financial systems, as they are both assets that do not require central parties to verify, create, or administrate them. So yeah, it's really taking the power from the banks and from the government and putting it into the hands of the investors. So now let's talk about what cryptocurrency is, right? This is going to be a brief introduction to what you're actually investing in. So the crypto in cryptocurrency, that stands for cryptography. And this is basically the discipline of writing or solving codes. And then the currency part in cryptocurrency, that just means money in any form as a means of exchange. We're going to discuss the cryptographic side of cryptocurrency soon, but just for now, know that the name cryptocurrency is a purposeful combination of two important ideas. Now, why are we investing in cryptocurrencies? What's the whole point? So crypto is basically an opportunity at building a decentralized system of currency that is based upon majority consensus. This means that the whole system has pretty high integrity. We're basically eliminating the need for banks or middlemen to control money accounts and transactions. Now, as a result of all that, crypto networks are immutable, and this means that they cannot be altered or deleted. Immutable transactions make it extremely difficult or nearly impossible to manipulate data that's stored on the network. It's not just stored in one place, it's stored all over the place.